Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up your pages inside Materia. When you install the theme, you get access to a bunch of ready-made templates, things like contact, wishlist, FIQs, about us, and more. But the part that most people miss is that the templates are included, but the pages themselves are not created automatically. So in this video I'll show you how to create the essential pages in Shopify and then assign them to the right template. So let's get right into it. First thing first, make sure that Materia is published. Otherwise, Shopify won't let you assign the templates to the actual pages. So all you have to do is click on the publish button. Now moving on, let's start with creating our actual pages. Go to online store, pages, add page, and let's say you want to set up your wishlist page. Name it wishlist, and on the right side you'll see the template dropdown. We're going to select the wishlist template. Make sure the page is visible, and that's it. Right now if I click on the preview, as you can see, our page is created. Now we're going to repeat the same process for the other pages. Let's go back to pages, add page, and let's create one for the contact. Same thing, name it contact, assign it to the contact template, make sure it's visible, save it, and we are done. If I click on preview, you can see that our page is created. Now let's also do another one for the FIQ page. Add page, name it FIQ, and all we have to do is just assign it to the FIQ template. Save it, and this page is also ready. Alright, now let's say you want to create your own custom templates and your own custom pages. All we have to do is go back to online store and click customize on the Materia theme. And once you're inside the theme editor, all we have to do is just look at a top bar, and you can see that there's this drop down where you normally switch between pages. Click that drop down, scroll all the way down, and you'll see the option that says create template. All we have to do here is just give it a name, and Shopify will create a fresh template for you based on the default one. Inside this new template, you can add sections, remove sections, change the layout, basically build your own structure from scratch without touching any code. After that, make sure to save it, go back to pages in the Shopify admin, create a new page, and we basically repeat the same process by selecting our brand new template from the dropdown. Make sure it's visible, and that's it. Now you got a fully custom page using your own layout. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.